Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to find the determinant of the 2.2 matrix. Now we have the formula that means determinant of A, B, C, D is going to be A times D minus B times C, right? Now let's take a look at the first example. We need to find the determinant of 3, 5, negative 2, and 4. It's going to be 3 times 4 minus negative 2 times 5. So it could be 12 plus 10. It could be 22. Now let's move on to example number 2. Let A be this matrix and B this matrix, right? So that of A times B equals that A times that B. Alright, so we need to calculate A times B first, right? Now this is 2 by 2 matrix. This is 2 by 2 matrix, right? Since this guy and this guy the same, right? So your final answer should be this guy and this guy right here. 2 by 2 matrix, right? So we need to calculate A times B. It's going to be this guy right here times this guy. First row, first column, right? It's going to be A W plus B Y. Now, first row, second column. It's going to be A S plus B Z, right? Second row, first column. C W plus D Y, right? And second row, second columns. It's going to be C S plus D C, right? Now we need to find that A B. It's going to be this guy times this guy. It's going to be A W plus B Y times C S plus D Z. Subtract C W plus D Y times A S plus B Z, right? Now we need to calculate that A and that B, right? So that A is going to be AD minus BC, right? And that B is going to be WC minus SY, right? Now we're going to multiply these two guys, right? So we have AD minus BC times WZ minus SY, right? So it's going to be ADWC minus ADSY, right? Minus BCWZ plus BCSY, right? Now we need to distribute this one to see what happens. We have A times C right here and WS, right? Plus A W D Z plus B C S Y plus B D Y C, right? For the second one right here, we need to distribute negative 1 and distribute this one, right? So it could be A C W S minus, right? And next one, we have minus B C W Z, right? Minus A D S Y and minus B D Y C, right? Now we're going to simplify this guy cancel out, right? This guy cancel out, right? So we only have 4 terms right here, which is exactly this guy right here, right? So this guy has been proved. Now example number 3, find determinant of matrix A. So we have determinant of matrix A equals 3 times 4 minus negative 1 times 2. So it could be 12 plus 2 is going to be 14, right? Now, interchange the entries in two rows to create a new matrix B. So if I interchange this guy, it turns out to be -1, 4, 3, 2. Find that B. Alright, so we have that B is -1 times 2 is going to be -2. Subtract 3 times 4 is going to be -12, right? So it could be -14. How does the that B compares to that A? That B is negative that A, right? Make a general statement about that A and that B if B is obtained from A by interchanging two rows of A. So, they are opposites. Now let's move on to statement number 4. Find determinant of matrix A. Alright, so we have that A equals 5 times 0 subtract 11 times 0 is going to be 0, right? Now, this guy, that A is 2 times 3 subtract 2 times 3 is going to be 0, right? What is special about this matrix? They both 0, right? Now make a general statement about the determinant of matrix of this type. Now for question A right here, we need to say if elements in one column are 0, the determinant of the matrix is 0. Now question B, if two rows are the same, the determinant is 0. And it's your time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in